Hello friends. Today we're going to practice a combination of strong yogic breathing with Viloma, also using the yogic breath. So I'd like you to gather into your now familiar favorite posture and close down the eyes. And get the sense of stability. And relaxing the shoulders. And on your next inhale, straighten your spine as you inhale. Drop your shoulders back and hold that spine tall as you exhale. Remembering to relax the muscles of the thighs. And the legs. And connect for a moment with your natural breath. Observing the cool sensation in your nostrils as you inhale. And the gentle warming of your nostrils as you exhale. Finding the beauty in contrast. In the opposites. Feeling the contrast of expansion and contraction. As your body moves in 3 dimensions, filling in on the inhaling breath and contracting on the exhale. And take note of how you feel at this moment. What's flowing through you? What's the quality of your mind? And just allow that. Don't try to change it. Just respect and observe. And take this acceptance with you. And let's begin the practice for today. So we'll do 3 rounds of strong, forceful yogic breathing. We'll start with a round of 25. Inhale. Exhale all the way out. And let's begin. Five more. Good. Resuming the normal breathing. Feeling the sensations in your arms, your hands, your face. If you feel a little lightheaded or dizzy, that's all right. Feel time slowing, drawing out. Let's prepare for the second round. We'll go for 30 if you feel good. Feel free to do less than that. Here we go. Inhale together. Exhale out. Inhale, belly, chest, neck. Halfway. Five. One more. Resuming your natural breathing. Relax. Relax everything. If you like, you can turn your palms up and explore the sensations in the palms. Feeling the energy, the sensitivity there, and through your arms. See if you can follow the sensations through the body. Noticing if you're still carrying any tension anywhere. Putting your mind and your awareness there and relax it. And let's prepare for our final round of yogic breathing. This time we'll do 35 breaths if you feel it. Inhale, belly, chest, head. Halfway there. Release and relax. Enjoying the sensation, relaxing into it, being present with whatever you feel. Just observing. Let's practice a few rounds of Viloma using the yogic breathing structure. Exhale all the air out. Inhale belly, hold. Inhale chest, hold. Inhale neck, hold. Exhale neck, hold. Exhale chest, hold. Exhale belly, hold. Inhale belly, hold. Inhale chest, hold. Inhale neck, hold. Exhale neck, hold. Exhale chest, hold. Exhale belly, hold. Inhale belly, hold. Inhale chest, hold. Inhale neck, hold. Exhale neck, hold. Exhale chest, hold. Exhale belly, hold. And go for 5 rounds on your own. And then we'll do a last one together. And let's finish up together. Inhale belly, hold. Inhale chest, hold. Inhale neck, hold. Exhale neck, hold. Exhale chest, hold. Exhale belly, hold. And relax the technique. Come back to your normal, natural breath. Just for a few final moments of seated meditation and breath awareness. Follow your breath. Observe how you're feeling now. And gently open your eyes. Thank you for practicing today. Give yourself a moment of gratitude for showing up, for doing this work for yourself, for your better well-being, better health, better mental health, better immune health, and wish you a wonderful day ahead or a night's rest ahead. Thank you.